In the small town of Veloville, all the vehicles live in harmony and enjoy playing.
All right, who's ready for hood lifts?
Max, you always crack us up first thing in the morning. Help! I can't move!
Don't be afraid, Milo. I'm coming.
Come on, climb onto my tow bar, Milo. Oh no! The ducklings are stuck in the water! Come on in, little ducklings!
You're not only the most powerful monster truck, but also the kindest.
Thank you for saving us all!
You're not only the most powerful monster truck, but also the kindest.
Thank you for saving us all!